friends, today we are going to discuss a question which is based on numbers. You can say number system. Okay. The question is, difference between two numbers is 77. Their LCM, lowest common multiple, LCM is 420. Find the numbers. Actually, this question would have been with multiple choices, but I have made question without multiple choice. Okay. So now you can pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay. Now it is given that the number is having, two numbers are having difference of 77. So always friends, it is advisable to take the smaller number as the variable x or n. Since it is a number, I have taken n. So n and the other number will be n plus 77, because n plus 77 minus n will be, n and n will get cancelled and it will be n plus 77. Suppose I take a number which is 78. Say 1 plus 77 is 78 and 78 minus 1 is naturally 77. So I have taken one number as n and other number as n plus 77. Sorry. Now is equal to 420. Is it 420? No. The product of the numbers is not 420. The product of the numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This is a formula which you would have learnt at 10th standard. Okay, secondary level. Okay. Now the question is that out of this we can make we can solve this question based on normal this using this formula. But that will make the things more difficult, or rather it will require more calculation. So the key concept is that HCF of two numbers, or HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF of any two numbers, like suppose if I take simplest one 6 and 9, their LCM is HCF is what, 3 2s and 3 3s. So 3 is their HCF. HCF is equal to 3. And what is their LCM? 6 3s are 18 and 9 2s are 18. So LCM is equal to 18, 1 8. Now you see 18 is divisible by 3. So there are two ways we can say that 18's factor is 3. 3 is a factor of 18, or 18 is divisible by 3. So I have written over here HCF is a factor of LCM. Now, what they have given to us, the difference is 77. So, what we can do, we can try out the factors of this 77. Now, 1 is of course no use, because we cannot formulate something out of that. We cannot make an equation something out of that. But 7 is 7 divisible by, is 7 dividing 420? Yeah, 7 6 are 42. So, and 11 doesn't divide 420, because what are the factors of 77? 1, 7, 11 and 77. Naturally, every number is factor of itself. So, now 7 is divisible by, 7 divides 420, but 11 doesn't divide 420. So, the thing is that HCF of these two numbers, what we have assumed, n and n plus 77, is 7. Have you understood so far? Okay. Now, based on this, you can go for a school method equation. N into n plus 77 is equal to 420 into 7. In this case, only factor of 77 that divides 420 is 7. So, HCF is equal to 7. Okay. Now, the simpler way to solve this question, other than using this formula, is so what I am going to do is like by now we know the HCF of two numbers is 7. So one number I am going to write as 10 m and other number I am going to write as 10p. and this number is greater than this. So what I am going to do, 7m minus 7p is equal to 77, the difference between the two numbers. So m minus p, if you take 7 as common, then m minus p becomes 11. Okay, m minus p becomes 11. So now if you tell me 420, if I LCM, if I divide by 7, then what will be the answer? Like 60, correct? Why I am doing this division? Because if again 9 and 6 are two numbers and I am dividing them by 3, I am getting 3 into 2. So there LCM I am dividing by square of this number, dividing the HCF twice. So 18 upon 3 is 6. 6 upon 3 is, okay. So what I am going to do over here, the difference between the number is 11. So the smaller number m is equal to 11 plus p. Earlier it was 7 and 7 plus 77, n and 7 plus 77. Now it is m and n. So what is the relation between m and n? This is so. Now, so the difference, the product of these numbers will be what? Product of these numbers will be 60. M is equal to 60. So I can say P and 11 plus P is equal to 60. This reduces my calculation to a small numbers. 420 into 7 I would have factorized. Now I am just factorizing 60. This is the other method, using the concept of 7m HCF. Every number can be expressed, two numbers are there, then the numbers can be expressed as something multiple of their HCF. Like I explained over here, 3 into 3 is 9 and 2 into 3 is 6. So 9 and 6 are two numbers. So 3 is their HCF. So naturally this is 3 into HCF, 2 into HCF. So I have done over here 7 into m and 7 into n. The original numbers are actually like this, what we took, n and n plus 77. But that will make your calculation bit longer, or more calculation you have to do. Now you can solve this equation. Those who want to copy down can pause the video and copy down. Now what is our equation? P into 11 plus P is equal to 60. So let us try to solve that. So P into 11 plus P is equal to 60. So P into 11 is 11P and P into P is P square plus P square. So this becomes a quadratic equation. Therefore P square plus, let us rearrange the terms in descending order of the power and take this constant on this side. Now factors of 60 with a difference of 11. So this makes our task easier. 60, we have to find the factors with a difference of 11. So 1 and 60 will make it 59. 2 and 30 will make it 28. 59, 28, then 3 and 20 will reduce the difference to 17, but we want 11. We are leading towards our what you can say, moving towards this constant, but we have a number which we want. So 4 and 15, the difference is 11. That's what we want. Now sign of the middle term to greater factor. So it will reduce it to p square plus 15p. Okay, I will take this over here. Minus 4p plus 15p minus 60 equals to 0. Now grouping two terms, first two terms and second two terms. So naturally p square p minus 4 plus 15. Now here a small trick is there, that you want this bracket over here. So you can write blindly the bracket over here, and so as to make up these terms, what you have to write over here? Plus 15p. So plus 15 you have to write over here, and you have to cross check whether this term is getting expanded into this term, this product. Plus 15 into minus 4. So 15 4s are 60. That's what we made over here. So plus into minus is minus. Now we are almost finished up with the sum, and p minus 4 we are taking common, and p plus 15. So if the product of two numbers is 0, then either the first number is 0 or second number is 0. Like 0 into 2 is equal to 0, or 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So either the first term has to be 0, or the second term has to be 0. Now if we equate it to 0, then p will be equal to 4. I am skipping one step, small step. P minus 4 is equal to 0, so p is equal to 4, or p is equal to minus 15. That plus 15 will go over that side, go to that side. Now what is this p? This p was our representative of the numbers. So p cannot be minus, because we are talking about numbers with LCM and HCF. So the numbers have to be, what you can say, whole numbers. So this number is p is 4 is accepted, and this is not accepted. So the numbers are, I am just telling this sentence, you have to judge this sentence. P is equal to 4, and 11 plus p is equal to 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. Right? 4 plus 15. Now 4 and 15 are the numbers. And oh no, because they have difference of 11, we want the difference of 77. So and initially we had said that 7m minus 7p. So it was like we have to multiply this by 7. So the numbers are, therefore the numbers are 4 into 7 equal to 28, and 4 into 15 equal to 60. Sorry. Say 4 into 7 and 15 into 7, that is 105. Let's check it out. 108 minus 20, 105 minus 28. What will be the difference? 105 minus 28. 15 minus 87, 90, 77. And if you find that LCM, it will be 105, double is 210, its double is 420. So 420 number is coming, and 420 upon 28. If you work it out, 14 3s are 0 and 2s are, so 15. So if you multiply 28 by 15, sorry, then the answer will be 420. So these are the numbers. Thank you.